The sweep tool extrudes a profile along a selected path. The path or spine can be sketch elements or edges of a body. To use the sweep tool, go to Tools and then select Sweep. Select the profile to extrude, then select Next. Select the spine or path to extrude the profiles along. To finish, select Done. To view or refine history parameters for the sweep tool, find the specific step for your sweep action and open the expandable card. From there, you can update the profile and path settings. To choose a different profile, click or tap the Edit or Select button. Select a different profile and then select Done to finish. To choose a different path, click or tap the Edit or Select button. Select a different path and then select Done to finish.